Hello. We're taking a break from our usual Stata tutorial to discuss some small tips and tricks. I'm calling this series Stata Breaks, where we're going to go over some Stata tips, one break at a time. Today, we're talking about a small mistake that can cause big headaches in Stata, hard coding file paths. If you've ever written something like this, it might look fine on your computer, but you still might be setting yourself up for trouble. Let me explain why. Hard coding means writing the full file location into your Stata do file. While it might seem fine at first, it can cause a lot of problems later on. Imagine you send your Stata do file to a colleague and they try to run it on their computer, like how I'm showing here. Look at that. There's an error. Why? Because their file path is different from yours. If you're working across Windows, Mac, or Linux, hard-coded paths won't work the same way either because the file structures are different. So, how do we avoid this mess? The answer is simple. Never hardcode file paths. Instead, use cd, which means change directory, to set your working directory at the beginning of your do file. As I've shown here, if you start your do file with the cd command, you will change the directory of your working folder. After that, you never ever have to write the full paths of your files anymore. And if we run the do file right now, you can see the code runs on my computer. And if we switch to a different computer, as I show here, the only thing I need to change is the CD line to the correct folder of this computer. After that, the do file will run perfectly without changing anything else. And this is why you never hardcode file paths in Stata. Use the cd command to set your working directory and keep your scripts portable, flexible, and easy to share.